Hi, my name is Linda Hamilton. I am the CEO of XPOH2O. What is that? It's exposing water. Basically, it's hydration. Now, what we have done is formulated hydrating products. Why? Because we solve the problem of dry, brittle, and frizzy hair. We help the natural community, curly girls with natural hair, we help them hydrate their hair with our formulation of our water locking gel. Let me share with you the history of how we actually came about this. The science is that oil and water don't mix. Can we agree on that? So if oil and water don't mix, then how will it mix on our hair? And you wonder why your hair is dry, why your hair is brittle, unmanageable, and very, very frizzy. Well, it's called liquid density. The molecule of water is small enough that it will rotten wood, it would iron rust iron, and it would even put a hole in concrete. But the molecule of oil is larger. So it coats, it seals, it creates a barrier where the water can't penetrate. Hence, oil and water do not mix. So I find that 98% of the products on the market today have an oil, a petroleum, or a shea butter base. Why? Well, because industry standards in the hair industry accepts that. So I have developed a product, formulated, and it has disrupted the actual hair community because it is water based, it is water soluble, and the ingredients are very hydrating. I want to share with you pictures of hair that is hydrated versus hair that is not hydrated or dehydrated, if you will. If you can see the pictures, every texture is included in these pictures. So whether you're wavy, whether you are curly, whether you are coily, you still need hydration. You see, because curly hair wants water, H2O. We talked about the power of water. The power of water is a God given resource. We drink water, we hydrate our bodies with water. We're 70% 80% water. The hair wants water too. As you can see, the differentiation in the different hair textures as well as the hydration in the hair. So when you're looking around and you're looking at products, you want to look at the ingredients. The ingredients will tell you if it's a hydrating ingredient or if it's not a hydrating ingredient. The reason is that if it's fighting the oils, then it's not going to be hydrating. You see, because oil, shea butter, and petroleum, they are lubricants. They lubricate the hair, but you want hydration. So, in order to get hydration, you must have water. Water is key to hydration, it is key to moisture. And so, if you want curly hair to perform, to be hydrated, then mist it with water and you will see the difference. But if you had the oil on the hair, it's in conflict. It is incongruent. And the two will fight. We talked about that in fifth grade science, oil and water not mixing. So our water-based products, as you see here, are the actual products that we're marketing now. We're marketing because they're all water-based. They hydrate the hair, they moisturize the hair, and that's what curly hair wants and needs. We have 5 SKUs here in which we advertise. We're in several stores, independent beauty supply stores. We're also on Amazon, and our website is www.xpoh2o.com. I'll repeat that, www.xpoh2o.com. xpoh2o.com. You can find us on our website. Our social media for Instagram is xpoh2o.com. We're also on TikTok, we're on YouTube, and we're on Facebook. So we're not hard to find. If you're looking for hydration, if you're looking for moisture, if you want your curls to really, really pop, you begin to expose your hair to water. And this has been documented through case study and history. History in that in 2018, I went to Ghana. And in that trip to Accra, which is where the Castle Elmina is in Accra, there's a place called the Last Bath, and you may have heard of that in Ghana. Well, I attended that, and the historian was speaking to the fact that in 1619, during the transatlantic slave trade, a lot of the slaves, or all of the slaves, were lathered down with palm oil and shea butter. So we have perpetuated that, and we use that today, and the hair industry continues to use that. So if you go back and do your research, you'll find that even in 1619, we were using palm oil and shea butter in our hair, and we still using it in 2024. So what I'm suggesting and what I recommend and my product indicate is that it's not favorable to curly hair. The palm oil, shea butter, or any oils are not favorable to curly hair. Curly hair, again, wants water. It wants hydration. It wants that moisture so those curls can really be hydrated and really pop. So this is the product that are water-based, that are on the market now, and are doing extremely well. Also, we are doing a presentation at the National Harbor on September the 16th at 2 p.m. And the presentation is the Military Spouse Shark Tank. What's going to happen there? Well, we're one of the finalists for XPOH2O. We're one of the finalists there at the National Harbor, where we will be presenting our product. We will be presenting two models, and those two models will actually be modeling our product. And we will show for our audience, and as a finalist, we will show that the product hydrates the hair. We'll do two models. Half of the hair will be natural, and the other half of the hair will be hydrated. And so we're super excited to be a finalist on the Military Spouse Shark Tank at the National Harbor on the 16th. It's also on Eventbrite if you want to register to attend and watch the finalists as we do our presentation, presenting our water-based products so you can see how curly hair should be when it's hydrated. Thank you.